Monday morning, rise and shine. Stretch up tall, feel so fine. Time to jump and start the day. Hip hooray, hip hooray. Tuesday's here, let's bake a treat. Cookies, cupcakes, oh so sweet. Mix it, stir it, round and round. Yummy smells are all around. Wednesday's fun, let's dance and spin. Clap your hands and turn right in. Left foot, right foot, jump so high. Reach your hands up to the sky. Thursday's windy, let's fly a kite. Watch it soaring, what a sight. Up it goes, so high, so free. Dancing in the sky with glee. Friday's here, let's sing a song. Laugh and dance the whole day long. La la la, let's clap and cheer. Friday fun is finally here. Saturday's great, let's ride our bikes through the park and past the dikes. Pedal fast, then slow it down. Feel the breeze in our town. Sunday's calm, we rest and play, dreaming of another day. Hugs and smiles, we end so bright. Good night, stars shine so wide.